Welcome to the Alliance Academy International Learning Resource Center. The most part of our collection is in English, but we also have elementary Spanish collection and also secondary Spanish collection, as well as books in French and Chinese languages, and a few books in the Korean language. Preschool and kinder are doing different activities as coloring. Sometimes they watch videos, holiday cards, and from first grade through sixth grade, we do have story times, and the kids are checking out books.
She had been thinking things out and had made a plan. She flew down and sat on Buffalo's back. I like reading because it shows me new things, and I like the pictures.
We had this beautiful program, 1,000 books before first grade for preschool and kindergarten students. We send one set of 10 books every week to each child of this program, and they read 10 books per week with their families. We really want them to read 1,000 books before first grade, and we now can see results. Reading time together as a family, sitting before they go to sleep and read books. We try to include in our each plastic bag at least one book with Bible stories or stories telling our kids more about Jesus.
I like reading because I can teach from the books, and I can do projects, and I can learn from it, and I can have fun with it. Holidays on Alliance Academy takes out new books, and it is very fun, and I can't stop reading.
Reading is making your own characters and just creating anything you want.
Ideas unimaginable.
For me, reading is learning.
In Alliance Academy International, we are readers.